Today we're talking internal links, specifically broken internal links, and why you should be trying to minimize these across your website. There's 3 reasons for this. The first is that it provides a bad user experience for visitors to your site, which can impact badly on your conversion rates. The second reason is that it can be a sign of a low quality website, which can negatively impact your rankings in search. And finally, if you can find and fix these broken links, it can actually help your web pages rank better. So with that in mind, let us show you how to find and fix broken links for yourself using a tool called Screaming Frog. So today we're going to show you how to find broken links on your website using a tool called Screaming Frog. It's a relatively cheap subscription tool that you pay for an annual license. And we're going to show you how to use Screaming Frog to find broken links across your site. So I've got an example website already pasted in the bar here. What I'm going to do is just hit start, and we'll see that the site is starting to be crawled by the search engine, the Screaming Frog crawler. Now, what we're interested in is any pages returned within this section of the response code, client error. So this is something, these are pages that are being found that don't exist. Now there's a good chance that these pages are linked to from other pages, and therefore we want to know what are the other pages on the site that are linking to these broken pages, because that's where we want to go and update the links so that they're no longer broken. So I'm not going to let this. I'm not going to let Screaming Frog crawl the whole site, because we'll be here quite a while. So I think we've probably got enough there just to sort of delve in and have a look at. So what I'll do is I'll stop the tool now. Now, to run the broken link report, you need to come up here to bulk export, and from bulk export choose response codes, and then from response codes choose client error for XX links in links. So we'll click on that, and we'll just save that with a default name there. So with that saved, what we want to do is find that file, which we've got down here, and we'll just open that up. Okay, so we get this file displayed like this, which doesn't look particularly useful, but what I'll do is I'll just take you through what we're looking at here. So the only columns that we're really interested in are the source column, the destination column, the alt text column, and the anchor column. They're the main ones. So if we just hide these ones here, and that one there, and we'll get rid of this one as well. Okay then, so what we're looking at here, the source column, this contains the pages that have the broken link on it. So these are the pages that we want to go to fix the link, to update it. The destination is the page that the link should take you to, but does not. So, and then here we've also got some more clues to be able to find them quickly. So if there's text in the alt text, it means that it's basically an image link. So if I just expand, it means that there's an image on this page somewhere that has a broken link on it. If it's text on the anchor, in the anchor column, it means that there's a link, a text link, and it's that kind of link that has that doesn't work. So let's go and try this one here. So what we'll do is we'll copy that, and we'll open it up in browser of your choice. Okay, so we know that there is an image on this page somewhere that is a broken link. So how do we find it? Well, there's a few decent Chrome extensions that you can use that will help speed up some of this work. The one I use is called Check My Links. Completely free. Just Google Check My Links. Check My Links Chrome extension. It's free. Install that, and you know that will help you out. So we'll click on that and see what it has to say for itself. So we can see that it's going through all the links on the page. Now what we're looking for is something coming up in the invalid links. So here we go, we've got one, and it's just highlighted here, 404, 404. So it looks like what we've got here is two little image icons, navigational icons to go to the next page. And what they're meant to do is when you click on this, it's meant to take you to the next story, which according to our report should be about Tree of Awards for York Maze. Sorry, that's incorrect. For the next story one, okay, it's the same one, okay, no problem. Now when we click on it, what we'll find is it doesn't exist, and in this case, for pages that don't exist, it takes you back to the home page. So we have a broken link there that needs fixing. I would say in this particular case, because this is a broken link or a set of broken links on the navigational aspect of the site, that is something that we would class as relatively important to fix soon. We just go and look at another example. Let's try and find one with a text link on it. So here we have a page which has some text on it somewhere saying 25th anniversary. So, and apparently that is where the broken link is. So again, we'll just go in here. We'll do paste and go. So somewhere on this page it says 25th anniversary, which has a link on it, and our Screaming Frog is telling us that that is a broken link. So just quickly here, I can see actually that this is almost certainly the link in question. We've got 25th anniversary. It's a link that probably takes us to a page that does not exist. But what we'll do is we'll run our check again. And this is why this is useful, that rather than you having to sort of sift through, the page to try and find the link manually or visually, this tool can very quickly find the link for you. So there you go. It's saying here that on this link the page doesn't exist. So if we just click on that just to double check, and again we can see the error URL up here taking us back to the home page. So one thing worth pointing out is that these quick sort of check my link type tool Chrome extensions, they're not always 100% correct in the information they give you. You should always manually check the links yourself, but they are very good for quickly identifying where problems exist. So in this case, what the webmaster of this site should be doing is taking this report and working through each of these pages here to locate the broken link, and then updating it one way or the other. So either updating the link so it works, so changing the URL so it points to the correct location for this page, or in some cases deleting the link altogether. So that's just a really quick and easy way of using Screaming Frog to find broken links across your website. And broken links are something that are very important to keep on top of for the 3 reasons that I gave earlier. That is, number one, they minimize the bad experience that users have when they come to the site. They minimize the low quality signals being sent out to the search engines that can impact your rankings. And thirdly, they are very powerful when used correctly to guide the search engines to the most important pages of your site, which can help with your rankings. So I hope you found that useful. We've got plenty more videos coming on how to use Screaming Frog and various other SEO useful bits of information. So stay tuned, and look forward to showing you another video sometime soon. you.